Hello, my name is Summer Jenee and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a follow-up with you all on the video unboxing I did of the Nobl travel bag, if you will. In my original video I did a larger bag and then this smaller bag. So in this smaller bag, I've actually had the opportunity to give it a spin on 2 different trips within the past week. And I really like this bag. So what I like about the bag is it doesn't say it on the box or on the infomercial or whatever it is you see, but you can charge your phone or whatever your device is through the top of your suitcase, but you need this battery pack. So luckily, I don't know, I had the intuition or something to buy the battery pack, but it connects inside your bag. And once you connect it like that, and turn it on, you can see it's at 100%. I hope you can see that. But so I keep my charged battery pack inside the bag. I like the fact that I can keep my electronics in the outside. I can lock it up. And then I also like the fact that it's like, to me, the game changer with this bag are the wheels. And this is the cable that comes with the charger pack to charge it. But again, this is a separate purchase in addition to the bag. But like the 360 spin on the wheels, it glides so smoothly. I really like this bag. Have not had the opportunity to put the large one to use or to work. I am waiting on the company. Well, actually, they're waiting for me. When I unboxed the first one, there were some scratches on the brand new piece of luggage. And so I contacted the company and told them, hey, I made a video of me unboxing it. And they were like, oh, I said, I can send it to you if you want. And they said, oh, yeah, send it to us. We want to see. Well, unfortunately, between moving our daughter to college and me getting sick and getting ready for school, I have not had the opportunity to edit all of my videos so that I could pre-position them so that I can get the rest of the content off of my camera. So hopefully I'll do that this afternoon so that I can send them the video so that they can see what condition the bigger bag was in when it arrived. But I like the fact that, getting back to this smaller one, I like the fact that I was able to lift it up. So usually I get free check bags with American. So the check bag issue of it is not a problem because I get a free check bag. But for the last 2 trips, I've been traveling light. And so I took this particular bag with me and I was able to have like my purse in my backpack. I have this travel size backpack. And so I put my purse and everything else that I couldn't fit in the bag in there. And then for this bag, I was able to put it in the overhead compartment. But flying back in, I did get to one, I guess the plane was a lot smaller. And so they did make me valet it plane side. But well, they made us all valet plane side. But I was concerned because I saw some previous reviews stating, it doesn't fit in the overhead compartment. It fits in the overhead compartment. Let me confirm. I flew on American twice in less than a week to different places, and this bag did fit in the overhead compartment. I was able to just get my bag down and put my backpack on there and roll off, and just the wheels go whatever way you need them to go. So I really like this bag. I don't know of any cons right now to the bag because it even has like a wet area in it where you can put your toiletries. So I'll carry my stuff in a personal hygiene kit, but I don't even, with that, I just put my stuff in a Ziploc, a big gallon Ziploc bag, and then put it in the the wet area because I don't want it to leak because I roll with a lot of liquids. But I really am feeling this bag. I like the fact that you can lock up the bag by changing the codes. And yeah, I think they did a great job when they invented this bag. I have not used one of the features, the cup part that I got the bag for. Haven't been able to use that yet, nor have I used the purse. Put your purse on the hooks here yet. But overall, I really do like this bag. It's like my favorite. And great job, Nobl Company. And that's all I have for you today. If you have this bag, or if you use this bag, or if you're interested in this bag, let me know in the comments what questions you may have about this bag. I am not getting a kickback from the company as of the date that I'm recording this video, so I don't want there to be any confusion. I'm not pushing the bag on anybody. I'm just doing an honest review of my experience with this bag. So if you know of anybody who's in the market for one of these bags and they're like, I don't know, share my video, like my video, and then also drop your comments in the comment section. I will put the link to this bag in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content regarding the things that I'm using. Also, have an amazing rest of your day and go be great.